Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 85 of our 100-day price action challenge, and again the market is actually a little bit volatile today. It was up, it was down, but to summarize the day, it has ended negatively. You can see here, right? Nifty is consolidating. But the good thing is that it is consolidating very good. Let's really hope that this 23,400 is not yet breached in the next week. I think that probably it might consolidate here for a few more days and it might break out. That is just a theory, but we always needs to follow the price. That's the most important thing. The same thing happening on the Nifty Junior too. It is finally consolidating here. It has taken a pullback on this 50-day moving average. Now again consolidating. The same thing is happening on the Nifty 100 too. The entire large cap space is looking really good as of now. Really good in the sense means that it is not yet correcting as of now. So that's a bit relief in such market, right? Coming to the mid caps, it is going sideways for the last few sessions. You can see here, right? It is trading between these two ranges itself. That's a good thing. Even the small cap is also doing something, but again micro cap is acting little bit weak. I know that again most of our portfolios are down today because it is micro cap is relatively still much weaker than the entire market as of now. The broader market index Nifty, probably we have started this week somewhere around here. We have ended, so the last closing was somewhere around here. So if we just open a weekly candle, you can see here, right? It has just closed over here. Let's also see Nifty 50 weekly candle. So this week we can say that Nifty is mostly flat. Now currently holding about this 200-day moving average. That's real good sign. The same thing. Nifty Junior needs to close above this line. So Nifty 50 is something looking right now decently well. But again, micro cap as well as small caps are still below their long-term moving averages. So but to summarize the week, it has taken support here. It is a good, decent week. I would call it as a decent week in all. You can see the candles here, right? Mostly it was a flat week across the market caps. Now let's see how the sectoral charts have done for the day. You can see here, right? The bank nifty is mostly flat. That's due to there is no action probably in the bank nifty because of private banks. Are also, I like how it is consolidating here. Very strong chart as of now. Look at the force it came here. Now even the pullback is also very shallow. That's what we need in such market. PSU bank still very volatile. It needs to close above this level, then I can think that okay, let's focus on PSU banks. But again, as of now they are very volatile. IT is down almost 2%, very weak sector. See, that's not at all helping for the market. In fact, IT plays some key role in the Nifty 50 index, so hence we are seeing some struggle here. Auto is again heading down. Realty, you can see here, right? It is also not acting that well, going sideways as of now. Pharma, that's a steeper pullback. I did not expect this kind of pullback on the pharma. It used to be stronger, but looks like there is some profit booking happening on the pharma because from this point onwards, the index was up almost 11%. Infra, I like how this chart is forming. Look at here. It is not even going down. It is consolidating here. That's a very good chart on the infra. FMCG is also finally settling down. Today it tried to close above this 50-day moving average but couldn't. But even that's a healthy sign from FMCG. Looks like it is trying to form a bottom here. Telecom still acting very weak as of now. It needs to close above this level. But the main leader in the telecom sector, which is Airtel, is acting really well as of now. Healthcare not doing that great. Media again very weak, down 2.3%. Ignore media stocks; these are not good. Now let's go with the daily charts. As you can see here, right? Reliance is taking a little bit break here. TCS again probably trying to go down, got rejected here again. That's a bit important support zone and the resistance zone, which is now HDFC Bank consolidating. See, whenever it is going down, have you seen here, right? Even yesterday it has opened up here, very strong closing. Even today it went all the way down to 1805. Again, strong closing. So people are not willing to sell HDFC Bank. There is clear strength on HDFC Bank as of now. Airtel, I think there was some kind of dip happened in the last 5 minutes. So, but again, look at here. The volumes were not much great. You can see here the price closed here. I'm literally waiting for this 1745 level. That's where I want. You can see you can put a stop loss of 2% only. This is just a blip. If you can open 5 minutes, see, you can see here, right? This is, there was some kind of blip happened in the Airtel. Now let's see ICICI. See, very, 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 very strong chart. ICICI Bank. See, again, only 2% LCL. Let me put the stop loss here. Obviously, this is one of the lifetime all-time high breakout. So there would be definitely some kind of resistance happening here, some kind of selling pressure. But if the new buyer demands are coming in, that would be interesting to watch. Infosys not looking good. You can see here, right? This is one of the line we need to be very, very, very focused on. Unless and until in the short term, if it doesn't close above this line, I am thinking Infosys might head down again. This 1550 level, please kindly note this level. This would be acting as very important support for Infi. State Bank of India, not that great. Needs to close above this. Looks like all the PSU banks needs to close above this level. Hindustan Unilever not doing that great, needs to close above this. Bajaj Finance tightening up. Look, another probably staging for another entry. Bajaj Finance. I like how this chart is forming. See, let's wait and see. ITC needs to close above this. Not interesting as of now. LIC tried to close above this level, but weak closing. Let's wait for a few more sessions. HCL Tech very weak. L&T, see how infrastructure. This chart looks almost similar to the Nifty infra, right? See, very tight consolidation. Very good. As of now, holding up. Maruti very weak, not at all good. See, made a new low here. Probably this was the previous low. Not good. Kotak Mahindra Bank, look at Kotak. It is one of the strongest private banks out there because it came literally out of the sleep. See, this was a long move. Now it literally came out of the sleep. So there is some kind of probably people are finding it now very good bet on Kotak. The reason could be anything. You can clearly see on the price that it is strongly moving up. Sun Pharma, not that of a great day for it. M&M again very weak. Looks like the auto sector has lost its steam again. There was some small blip in between, but again, now again the auto sectors. Probably this new tariff on the auto sector is not much helping the sector. Ultratech Cement currently consolidating, needs to consolidate because it was a very strong move. Axis Bank getting tightening up. You can see here, right? This is mini. Looks like the private bank is doing well. So, if you are a very aggressive trader, you could have taken entry here with a stop loss of only 2%. So, that's really interesting on the Axis Bank. Let me just put an alert here. NTPC is also tightening up. Very good. Probably offering you another entry here. This was the first entry. This could be the second and this one. WIPRO not doing that well, very weak WIPRO. If the IT sector improves, probably it will really boost up the Nifty strength. Bajaj Finserv non-stop for the last, see, from this point onwards it was up, especially this week. From this week, this was the last Friday closing. It was up almost 10%, almost 10% in this week. Bajaj Finserv, very strong name. ONGC, wow, it made a lot of volumes. It tried to move up, but again the closing was not good. But interesting. I'm thinking finally it is trying to settle up. It is trying to change the direction. Titan not helping much. Adani Enterprises not helping much. Even Tata Motors after yesterday's huge fall, not major recovery here. Power grid consolidating, probably expecting some more pullback here. Bajaj Auto, very weak chart. JSW still another very powerful name. See, Kotak is one chart, JSW is another chart. Probably if I want to name another chart, Indigo. These three names are looking very, sorry, Bajaj Finance. Yes, four names are looking very strong among the Nifty 100 names. Adani Ports now trying to consolidate here. That's a good, you can see here, right? It is forming tight consolidation. If it breaks above this level, that would be interesting to watch. Probably trying for a reversal, Adani Ports. DMart after yesterday's it went all the way to 41.84. Now again expected some kind of pullback due to market weakness, because I have already mentioned that this 4300, this would be the level where there would be some form of resistance. DMart needs to close this gap. Once it closes these gaps and move up, that would be very interesting to watch. Coal India still needs some more time. Hindustan Aeronautics tried to move up but again closed here, so probably need some more time here. Zomato again down 2%, stuck at 200. Nestle going sideways. Asian Paint still sideways, but it is slowly inching up. Let's wait and see. Adani Power still under this trend line. Bharat Electronics trying to consolidate here. That's a good action. Probably you can expect. See, only 3% tightness. That's really good thing. Trend not acting well. Got rejected here at 50 EMA. Closing is weak. Not good. Simon's also not acting that well. Tata Steel, it has lost its momentum. This used to be my favorite chart for this period of time. Now I don't think Tata Steel is having that lucrative unless there is a very strong name. Let's wait for that. Indigo, very strong name. One of my favorite charts on Nifty 50. IOC not doing well. DLF sideways. Grasim also looks like the cement stocks are really doing well. Varun Beverages still very volatile name. IRFC not doing well. Vedanta tightly consolidation. See, very tight consolidation. Interesting. HM not good. TV is going sideways within this channel range. SBI Life now trying for a river. Again, probably you can see little. Let's wait and see. LTIM not doing that well. Geo Finance, nothing interesting happening here. Hindalco, it is again taking rest at the 675 level. Looks like there is some kind of loss in momentum in metal space. Pidilite not there yet. Eicher Motors, very choppy name. Let it form a tightness. HDFC Life, another interesting name which is trying for the reversal. See, you can see here, right? Bajaj Finance, Kotak, all these names comes under the first category. Probably the next names are those which did not correct much. The third category will belong to these which are trying to recovery before the market is recovering. That's really, I can put that into that category. Adani Green still trying to form a bottom here. Bajaj Holding again very choppy on the daily time frame. Need some more time here. PFC tried this level, not reached it yet, not great closing. LODHA, see again, very volatile name. I don't even watch at this stock anymore. Cipla, very volatile, broke down. It has changed now. Look at here, changing character again. Not at all good. Very choppy name. Even this too has become very choppy name. In fact, we can simply delete this line and let's not waste time on Cipla much. Let's just keep this level, this 1550. Till then, it's time waste to watch Cipla even. Very choppy name. Ambuja Cement needs to close above this line, probably this 584. Britannia, wow. Interesting. Yesterday it was some kind of rebalancing that was obvious. Britannia, let us extend this line here. Cholamandalam, my favorite stock again. Slowly. See, again. Slowly moving up. ABB going sideways. Startup Power, again, good chart, tightly consolidating here. TVS Motor going sideways. Godrej Consumer Properties not doing that well. Again, some kind of blip happened on this chart too. Even SBI cards looks the same. Bharati Airtel looks the same. Some issue was happening on NSE, I guess. Today. Shriram Finance, oops, that was big selling, probably some kind of profit booking, but still it has taken support exactly at this level. So as of now, still decent, but not a good action. It should not ideally have broke down this 666 level. So let's wait and see. BPCL, interesting. It is trying to recover. That is definitely for sure. I can clearly see it on the chart. See, look at the attempts it is making, but again, the market weakness is not allowing. Punjab National Bank again tried today at this trend line. I'm waiting for this trend line. The last time too, it has attempted but got rejected. Maybe this time I think we are there. We are there almost. Even Bank of Baroda tried its best. Looks like the banking sector is again improving a lot. Gale also looks interesting, trying for a reversal, but again, lot of overhead supply. Torrent Pharma going sideways. Sri Cement again went all the way down here, but again, some kind of pullback happened due to market weakness, down almost 2% from this point. So I'm waiting for a consolidation on the Sri Cement. It is finally up. Let's look at the weekly chart. See, very good weekly chart on Sri Cement. See, you can see this is the all-time high. It is facing some kind of resistance here. Once it comes out of this zone, I am thinking it might have a very smooth move. But again, considering the stock history, not that of a great chart, but on a short-term time frame, it looks really strong. REC not looking that interesting as of now. Tata Consumer finally up. Looks like all the FMCG stocks are having a little bit buzz today. Is there any news? Something am I missing? Please put it in the comment section. United Spirits, boring name. Havells, not yet interesting. Naukri, sideways. Dr. Reddy's, very choppy name. See? Dabur to try to move but got rejected again. Apollo Hospitals consolidating here. Zydus Lifeline, nothing interesting. Union Bank again trying to close above this 130 level. Interesting, interesting. Let's wait for that day. Mothers and Sumi, not good. Zindal, I like how this is becoming tighter and tighter. Let me just put an alert somewhere around here. I like how this is forming. Probably a small swing trade we could have initiated here because the stop loss is only 3 to 4% on this time. Interesting. Let me just watch it. Lombard, now it is forming a base here. Interesting. Slowly moving up. IPRO, ooh, life insurance. Oh, that's not good. Look at HDFC Life today. Look at IPRO today. Very strong difference between both the charts. JSW Energy not good, INDUSIND not good. Adani Energy Solutions almost flat today. Yesterday it had a real good move. Probably now trying for a reversal. Bosch going sideways. Canara Bank still needs to close above this 93.2 level. Hero MotoCorp not doing that interesting. NHPC went all the way here but weak closing. So stocks are trying hard. They are trying their best to move up, but market is not yet supportive. Same thing happened on the BHL to Adani Total Gas. Not interesting. IRCTC very weak name. So we have ended the week. Overall, it was positive for some stocks, and on the index level, it is a flat week. I think we are having a holiday on Monday, so it's a very long week. I really wish Ramzan ka Mubarak, and in Telugu it was Ugadi, so advance happy Ugadi. Thanks a lot, and also please try to fill the comment section. I have put a form. It will help me what to do, what to work on after this 100-day price action challenge. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on Tuesday again. Bye bye.